Translas climbed out of the crisis and into a long period of change. They implemented lean manufacturing, Six Sigma, and as well as an entire production assembly planning overhaul. SAP software was installed to enhance the internal process, enabling the team to meet the rapid demands. Eldest brother Eric Jan Boer left Translas in 2014 to join his colleague Joe de Kock in other enterprises, VIP Safety and Guide Gloves. In 2015, Translas was approached by the TNO Knowledge Center, a government agency specializing in development. TNO had invented the concept in the field of source extraction for welding torches, and they asked Translas, the only Dutch manufacturer of welding torches, if they had interest in further developing and patenting this concept. And the rest is history. Translas is now strongly developed in the field of source extraction, under the Extractor brand name. We are one of the world's largest specialists. With branches in the UK, Canada, and China, Translas has worldwide coverage with a bright future in sight. Translas UK was incorporated in 2018 after spotting a gap in the market for Translas's knowledge and expertise. The UK was crying out for a strong source of both fume extraction and manual torches, combined with our expertise of high-vacuum mobile systems. We have developed a great partnership with both wholesalers and distributors. With this, Translas UK has experienced significant growth whilst also acquiring more market share in the fume torch and extraction market. January 1st, 2019, Translas opened its third division. The new entity, officially called Translas Canada Industries, located in Woodstock, Ontario, Canada, opened to serve the Canadian and indeed the whole North American market. We identified that there was a gap in the market concerning a manufacturer that could provide and understand both fume extraction welding guns and fume extraction vacuum units to the metalworking manufacturer sector. And we knew that Translas could make an important contribution to the success of these key manufacturing segments. Because of this, manufacturing environments have become cleaner and safer throughout Canada as we have served the individual welder to hundreds of welders.